Of the progress and achievements of our institution. I'm filled with immense pride to share a current snapshot of our esteemed organization. As of today, our vibrant school community has reached remarkable strength of 1436 students. Furthermore, this thriving student body is nurtured by a dedicated team of 64 passionate staff members. Among them, 59 exceptional teachers guide our students with their expertise and enthusiasm, while 5 dedicated administrative staff members ensure the smooth functioning of our school. Additionally, 37 invaluable support staff members contribute tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring a safe and comfortable learning environment for all. This combination of spiritual invocation and educational reflection underscores our commitment to nurturing not only intellectual growth, but also moral values and inner strength in our students, qualities that Lord Shiva himself embodies. As we delve into the annual report, let us see how we have strived to empower our students to soar towards their own horizons, guided by knowledge, wisdom, and the spirit of service. May this celebration be a testament of our collective achievements, and may we continue to work together to nurture the intellectual, social, and emotional well-being of each and every student who walks through the corridors. In the context of academic growth, the quote by Nelson Mandela, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world," resonates deeply. It underscores the transformative potential inherent in education and emphasizes its pivotal role in shaping the future. Ladies and gentlemen, with immense pride, I present the outstanding accomplishments of our classes 10th and 12th students in the CBSE board exam. But alongside Mr. Gohil Hitesh to oversee our robust fire hydrant system, reinforcing our unwavering commitment to safety. Our sick bay and ambulance services, coupled with the round-of-clock security surveillance, ensure the well-being and security of every individual within the premises. Our STEM and robotics labs stand as a testament to our dedication to experiential and innovative learning methodologies. Our science laboratories for physics, chemistry, biology are equipped to the highest standards, focusing hands-on learning experiences for our students. Our well-equipped library serves as a hub of intellectual exploration and academic enrichment. We provide avenues for recreational and extracurricular activities, nurturing holistic development. 2 distinct spaces cater to morning assemblies, value-building sessions, and sporting activities. Our playground and tracks provide vital spaces for physical activity and recreation, promoting holistic development among students. We prioritize the emotional well-being of our students through our dedicated mental health and counseling services. Our specialized support services provide a safe and nurturing environment for students to address their psychosocial emotional needs at preventive, promotive, and curative levels. Our school provides specialized support for students with diverse learning needs, ensuring inclusive education and personalized assistance to provide academic success and holistic development. Our computer labs stand as bastions of technological advancement. Fully equipped with cutting-edge software and devices, they serve as incubators for fostering programming skills and embracing emerging technologies. Our offerings in music, dance, and visual and performing arts reflect our commitment to nurturing creativity and expression. We maintain stringent housekeeping standards to uphold a pristine and conducive learning environment throughout our school. Our dedicated housekeeping staff and vigilant security personnel ensure cleanliness and security throughout our premises, complemented by a fully equipped sick bay and ambulance in school. Nelson Mandela so eloquently stated that education is the most powerful weapon which we can use. Furniture and the augmentation of our CCTV cameras and AC units. Our diversity is our strength. Reflecting this spirit, we are proud to announce the initiation of inclusive education programs, including the addition of 2 wheelchairs. This aligns perfectly with Barack Obama's observation that infrastructure is the backbone of any successful society, enabling progress and prosperity for generations to come. Ensuring accessibility and equality for all is what we aspire for. The best way to predict the future is to create it. As we stand here today, inspired by the words of Barack Obama, let us reaffirm our commitment to excellence. Let these infrastructural improvements pave the way for an even better and a brighter future. about the monuments and our heritage. On 19th of April, we witnessed the delightful class display board decoration activity. April 21st marked the gala day for activity enthusiasts with Earth Day and table manners activities for pre-primary classes. Drawing competition throughout by engaging in different activities. In collaboration with BCT Safety Management, a defensive driving workshop was organized on December 24th, attended by Vice Principal Mr. Shyam Kumar Shah and Mr. Rajendra Vani, and all our dedicated drivers and conductors. The Government of Gujarat organized CPR training for teachers on December 3rd. In the month of December, I had the privilege of attending the Principal's Workshop held at Ganodia, Mumbai, with a key focus on building excellence in leadership. The workshop served a valuable opportunity to all of us to enhance and relive our school's administrative capabilities, enabling us to serve better as educators, being in service.
You have always been a big source of inspiration for all of us, and under your guidance, we are sure to excel. अतिथि देवो भव, हमारे लिए अतिथि देवता समान है, आराध्य है। आपके स्नेह और वात्सल्य